Through 20 years of enduring research and development, today, Gree stands as the #1 global air conditioning enterprise. With 9 production bases, presence in 195 countries, global market share of 30%, serving 300 million satisfied customers worldwide. Gree produces 60 million residential and 5.5 million commercial air conditioners annually, achieving annual sales revenue of $16.1 billion in 2015. In 2015, Gree was recognized as the 385th most prestigious of Forbes Global 2000 companies list, #1 in the household appliances category. Some of the numerous international awards that Gree has been awarded include World Brand Award, the 22nd Award for Best Red Name, Rome, 18th Gold Star of World Quality Summit, Paris, Quality Summit International Award for Excellence and Business Prestige, New York, whilst quality certifications include ISO 9001, 14001, OHSAS 18001, AHRI, European Community CE, German GS, American UL, European EMC, Australia SAA, Canadian CSA, German TUV, and many more. Gree's extensive product range comprises of 20 categories, over 12,700 models for residential air conditioners and 1,000 models in commercial air conditioners. Gree has achieved its excellence in air conditioning through dedicated investment in high-quality human resources pursuing innovation. It has invested over $10 billion in research and development of core technologies. Currently, Gree employs more than 8,000 PhDs and engineers, operates 2 technical research centers, 1 industrial design center and enterprise lab, 7 technological institutions, 52 research testing centers, and 630 special purpose labs. Gree has 20,824 applied patents, including 7,391 innovation patents. Gree's promise and commitment is to deliver the finest quality, cutting-edge technology, a testament to Gree's status as the forerunner in air conditioning technologies and most efficient solutions and products to its customers worldwide. Gree, leading air conditioning through innovation and technology.